Well, at last I have the Class 37 working. Doesn't like that point. So it runs perfectly smooth, which is great. However, what I had to do was swap out the motor. Yeah, so I had to swap out the motor because the one that it came with, I couldn't get any power out of it. I'll probably have to strip it down again and check it out, but it's nice to see it at last operating smoothly. And it really is such a nice looking model. Great livery. See, it doesn't like that point. Yeah, so that's another one off the list. And in the meantime, I was trying to fit that brass cog. Now, I've got it on, and what I had to do was put the old alloy cog on there. Let me just... And what I'd done was I put the old alloy cog on there so that I could use the C-clamp bearing on it there, and then on this side where the cog is, I took the nut from the old Triang controller and I put that on top of the brass cog, and then it took me a dozen times with the C-clamp to get it lined up, and I managed to get it on a bit further. It's not perfect. It does engage when I press it in, but you see it's still got the spring there. I just need to get it in a little bit further, but that is a bit of progress in this exercise. And Andy Russell said that he's abandoned the use of a C-clamp, so I'm waiting to see what new idea he comes up with, because I'd really like to get a solution to this so that I can get these other Ringfield motors working. As you see, I have a few of them, all waiting new brass cogs, or pinions as they are often referred to. But success at last, which is great. Very happy with this. So if you enjoyed this little update, remember to give us a big thumbs up. You know how it works. And we'll see you next time here at Partickhill Station.